Hi everyone. So nice to see you guys. So chapter 2, so 2.2 is subset. So subset. So we have so subject recognize subset and use the notation. This one is notation. Recognize the proper, this one is subset. So proper subset using the notation for this and determine the number set, the number subset of the set of like concept, the subset and equivalence set of a finite set. So by the definition, the set A is subset of B and expressed as the A subset B. Every element of the set A is also the elements of the set B. So we can say as the set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the set B. So we have 2, 4, 1, 3. So so that's how we can set, and doesn't matter the orders of this. And so we have a notation. A not subset mean that is this one. So the mean that A is not subset of B. A set A is not subset B. There is at least one element is not in the B. So for example, we have A. We have an A, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have this one is set B. So we have 2, 4, 1, 5. So this one, I know this one. So this one, A cannot be a subset B because one of them is the missing in that. So every subset is itself. So we have, for example, we can go back here. So we can every is subset itself. So we say now we can I can switch it one to C and D, C and D. So we have a C cannot be subset of D. So we have example, right? Is the even the subset or not subset? The plan of the true statement A 1, 3, 5, 7. So B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. So this one is A subset of B because every element in here they include for the B. So A subset B. So for the A, X is the letter, the word proof. So A Y is the letter of proof. So you see this proof and proof because they have no B and for the bottom one. So this one is the B, it's not the A. So this one is not that is the B. So it means like A is not in B. There is A is not subset in B. So proper subset. The proper subset definition. So the proper subset as a proper subset of B is expressed. So A proper subset B if the set A subset or the set B and the set A is not equal. So both of them they're not equal. So we can say 3 less than 4. That means 3 cannot be equal to 4. So that is simple enough, right? So 3 is a subset for 4 or 3 is not equal to 4. So we have example. So write either one for this both plan. So the statement A, um, so the set A is RX, is the X is the person, and X living in the San Francisco, and the set B is RX, X is the person, X is living in California. So this one we can have both solution. So A we can subset B, or A is proper subset B. For this, for B, A is 2468. B is 2846. So this one they have a subset. Both A subset B. So we have A subset B and subset and an empty set. The empty set for R B. So you see this one, we can say empty set is the subset of B. For any B other than is for any set B other than the empty set. So that one is the empty set is proper of B. So the number set. So the set. So this one is the bracket. This one is the empty set. This means like nothing. So they list is, but they have one number set. So the set A, one, but they list is two distinct subsets because they have an empty set in there. So four, so this one, two numbers of the subset. So the set A, B, so the number of elements in here is two, and we can list this out, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one, four number subset. So the set A, B, C, three numbers in there, but we can list all this one out. So this one is 8 number subset. As we increase the numbers of an element by set by one, the number subset is those double. The set is double. So the number set of n elements, so n raised to the 2 raised to the n, the number of proper subset to the set n is n n 2 to the n minus 1. So we have example. So we have the set A. This one is we have 1, 5, 7, 10. So we can write out as empty set and 1, 2, 1, 5, 7, 10. So now we can have as 1, 5, 1, 7, 1, 10. And also we can list others. 5, 7, 5, 10, 7, 10, and we have 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 10, and 1, 7, 10, and we have 5, 7, 10, and 1, 5, 7, 10. So we can list all that one out for the subset. We can list all that out for that. So we have the finding number subsets and a proper subset. Finding the number subsets is the number of proper subsets for A, B, C, D, E. There is the 5 elements in there. So we have subsets is 5. So 2 to the 5 is 32, but 32 subset and proper subset 2 to the 5 minus 1, so 31 proper subset. For the B, x or x, such that x in the natural number and x in between 9 and 15. The roster form 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this one has 7 elements. And improper subset. So the subset, so 2 to the 7, so 128 subset, and 127 a proper subset. The number subset finite set. So there is the natural numbers. So this one is the symbol for the natural numbers. They say n of 0 is the has the 2 and of 0 subset, and 2 raised to the n of 0 minus 1 subset. So 2 to the n sub 0 is the greater than n sub 0 denoted by 2 raised to the n sub 0 by the n sub 1. So n sub 1 is greater than n sub 0. N sub 1 is the smallest infinite cardinal number in the infinite hierarchy. The different infinite, the different infinite. So thank you very much.